What a year 2020 has turned out to be, courtesy the COVID-19 pandemic. We've all, of course, also got our fingers crossed that the new normal doesn't continue in 2021 and what was before 2020 comes into the next year. Now, as we enter 2021, in this video, I'm going to talk about certain changes that you're going to see in your life. This has nothing to do with coronavirus, but these are changes nonetheless that you need to know about, from how you do your banking to even new traffic rules. Let me break it down quickly for you. WhatsApp may not be available in some phones. If you have an outdated phone or a phone that is not really updated with the latest software, WhatsApp will stop functioning for you. Well, WhatsApp will run on devices which have Android 4.0.3 or above. As far as iOS goes, it has to be iOS 9 or above. Anything below that, WhatsApp will be discontinued. You'll have to dial 0 now if you're making calls from any landline to mobile phones. Very few of us even have landlines now. But if you do, the Department of Telecommunications has said that any call from fixed lines to mobile phones, you'll have to now dial a 0 before going ahead and dialing the number. Is that contactless card transaction limits has been increased. Now, the RBI has said that from January 2021, the transaction limit, which was set at 2,000 for contactless card transactions, has been increased now to 5,000 rupees. So this has been mandated from the 1st of January. And that's not all. It's not just about contactless card transactions. Even if you're using a debit or credit card for a transaction of up to 5,000 rupees, no PIN will be required. So you won't have to put in your PIN everywhere you go if the transaction you're doing is less than 5,000 rupees. FASTag is mandatory for all four-wheelers. A lot of you have already gotten FASTag. For those of you who haven't, hurry up and do it now, because from January, the government has mandated this, that any vehicle bought from December 2017 will have to have a FASTag. If you don't have a FASTag and you want to go through the toll paying with cash, you'll have to pay double the toll fee, and this has been decided by the government, will come into effect from January. Now, as far as banking goes, here's a change from 2021. It's called the Positive Pay System for checks. So the RBI is introducing this new rule. It's called, as I mentioned, the Positive Pay System. It comes into effect from January 1st. It's very simple. Let me just explain it for you. Now, if you issue a check to someone for 50,000 rupees, if it's to a person or a firm, you will then have to go ahead and confirm your details. Before that check goes through, you will get an intimation where you have to confirm your name, your details, the check number, as well as the amount, and only then will the payment go through. But the good thing is that this particular facility will be available based on the discretion of the account holder. So if only you choose for the Positive Pay System, will it be available for you? Will it be a service available to you from the bank? From 2021 is that there'll be a quarterly GST return filing facility. From the 1st of January, businesses, and this is particularly for businesses with a turnover of up to 5 crore rupees, they will be required to file only 4 GST sales returns. Remember, earlier it was 12. So this has been brought down from 12 to 4 and will come into effect from January. So those are some of the changes that you'll have to keep in mind entering into 2021. We hope you found this video useful and keep all these changes in mind, because it's going to affect your life adversely. Yes, wishing all of you a very happy new year, a very happy and prosperous 2021. Keep watching the space for more such videos.